Hey my beauties, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to tell you how to take care of your nails, how to get that shiny, clean and pink natural nails. So beauties, without delaying, let's get started. So firstly beauties, here I'm taking like one bowl and one spoon. Our first ingredient is baking soda. So here I'm taking like little amount of baking soda. You can see. My second ingredient is toothpaste. You can take any toothpaste which is available at your home. So I'm taking little amount of it. Basically we have to make a paste out of it. So here I'm taking little amount of it. Taking this bowl, toothpaste and baking soda, and now I'm mixing it well. So beauties, after mixing this toothpaste and baking soda, what you have to do, take one old brush because we have to clean our nails. So just take your old brush and then apply it on your nails. So here I'm taking it like this, and beauties, baking soda helps you a lot in removing all the darkness, blackness or dirt from your nails, whereas toothpaste helps you a lot in getting that shiny pink nails. So you just have to do it like this and then let it dry or leave it for 10 minutes and then wash your nails with normal water. So friends, here I'm back. I just washed my nails and you can see it's giving a pink hue and it's like too good. So this baking soda and toothpaste is like a best remedy for achieving that clean. If you want to know that how to take care of your long nails and how to grow them faster or to help them like to clean and like you can see, oh my goodness, looking too good. So this is how I take care of my nails and this is like really amazing. Do this thrice a week, thrice or like 4 times a week. And after doing this, what you have to do, take any baby oil which you have, or you can take any oil, almond oil, coconut oil or any oil. Here I'm taking this Johnson baby oil. Take few drops of it like this and then massage it on your nails like this. And then leave it like this. And trust me, this will gonna make your nails stronger, healthier and very clean and like totally shiny. So this is how I take care of my nails. So go beauties, if you're having long nails or if you love having long nails and you don't know how to take care of them, so just go and try this. This is how you have to clean them. So beauties, hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries regarding this video, just comment it in the comment section and I'm surely gonna answer you. So friends, do follow me on Instagram. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.